Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar, and as we all know that Fable 5 model is back again, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use it for free. And the thing is, many people is commenting on my Kiro video that it is you can't buy the Kiro subscription again. Let me show you. You can check my credits, and I have used 71 credits, 1000 credits plan Kiro Pro, and let me show you on the web also. Manage plan. I bought it yesterday for like $3.5, which is tax for India, and the tax for other country is like $1.5. And many city in the USA, tax is completely free. Like oregano, I think I don't know. I'm sorry, but many country you can Google it out. So the thing is how to use Fable 5 for free. So go to Genmax AI, go to models, create a account using your email ID or anything. Go to models and search for free. You will see that Claude Sonnet 5 is free and the Claude Fable 5 is free. And let me show you, it is a limited time offer, free version. Offer limited quota access for trial use. So it is like a trial use you can use for 1 or 2 days so that you can see the capacity of the model before buying it. And you can use step 1 step 3 model 3.7 flash for free also. So this is how you can use the Fable 5. The one thing is you need to like go for pay as you go subscription plan of like adding $5 at least so that people can't abuse it. So it is completely free. Your $5 will be safe, and you can use that $5 for other model as well. So this is how you can use Fable 5 and Sonnet 5. And if you want unlimited access of Sonnet 4.6, you can go to Nara router. We already made a video on Nara router, how to set it up on open code. So you can create an account on Nara router, and Sonnet 4.6 is completely free on it, and I am using it. Let me show you. I am using it. You can see that Claude Sonnet 4.6 via Nara router. So you can use these models for free. And let me tell you one or two things. Many offer last for like 1 day or 2 day, and many offer last for like a month. So please don't blame me if you got late and you don't subscribe my YouTube channel and you got late and you did not get the like benefit of like free tier of any model or any like AI. So it is not my fault, so please don't blame me for that. And one more thing, I want you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.